the same on the weekends as the rest of the days. And I know I should go, but I'll probably stay. And that's all you can do about some things. I'm trying to drink away the part of the day that I cannot sleep away. I'm trying to drink away the part of the day that I cannot sleep away.
We arrived. We're going to taste some wine. We'll get back to you.
Ici, mon grand-père avait des vignes.
It's a family of winemakers.
À une époque, les vignes ont été arrachées parce qu'on a mis à la vente de vin. Et j'avais les terrains. Donc je suis revenu, j'ai replanté toutes les vignes. Toutes les vignes que vous pouvez, là, c'est les vignes que j'ai replantées.
So he has planted everything new from the estate of his grandfather. His grandfather had the wine.
On est tous vignerons.
What does he see for the future of natural wine?
Elle demande comment tu vois le futur du vin nature.
Ah oui, avec beaucoup d'espoir parce que...
So he thinks there's more and more demand, especially outside France, abroad, and because the core idea is that the wine is very easy to digest, and this is natural, that you can digest the wine, and that's very strong in the natural wine.
Attention, la vidéo. On se la...
Wow. This feels like liquid gold.
This castet is very, very rare grape. It's about less than 1 hectare planted in the France, and there are 2 producers having this grape. Even in the world.
No wood, straight into the bottle after the press and after the format. Wow, that's... Okay.
If that you can smell it, it's 14 and it can smell like it was juicy and fruity.
I love this place. It's so magical. The food comes out on huge tables. There's goat's cheese everywhere. There's wine.
Somehow we've ended up with all the wine.
Les gens qui voyagent à vélo, à la maison, on les invite à manger parce que sinon ils ont une formation pour adultes.
It's just like holding a pint. Ça va? I don't know who that man is.
When he was 85, now he's 19.
Great children.
So this?
So she has 7 children, and then they made so many children, and
great grandchildren.
Wow.
Je fais des conneries. Voilà. Alors, allons-y.
Voilà.
Elle me pose des questions, je sais pas.
Il n'y a pas de souci.
Il y a une générosité, une ambiance et un savoir-faire pour la vie.
Hopefully it's full of generosity and with a little knowledge of what I learned so far in life.
Tu comprends, oui?
Ah,
c'est superbe.
C'est parfait.
Non, mais je dis ce que je pense.
Ben voilà. I'm just telling you what I think.
Yeah. And what do you want to do now?
Qu'est-ce que tu veux faire aujourd'hui dans ta vie?
Ah, moi j'ai une très belle vie. J'ai une bonne famille.
Have a beautiful life, a beautiful family.
Des amis formidables.
Beautiful friends.
J'ai une belle vieillesse.
Have a wonderful retirement period time.
Et c'est vrai, hein?
I don't want to change it for anything.
Ce que j'ai dit, tu sais comment je suis, hein? Je suis heureux, moi, quand tu me dis.
He's very happy. He loves his life.
Je viens de fermer ma fenêtre, le brouillard qui tombe est glacé. Jusque dans ma chambre, il pénètre notre chambre, on meurt le passé. Je suis seule ce soir avec mes rêves. Je suis seule ce soir sans ton amour. Le jour tombe, ma joie s'achève, tout se brise dans mon cœur lourd.
There was a revolution. There was no wine at the table, so they cracked it. A lady got up and now she's bringing out more bottles.
Pour toujours, ne me laisse pas seule sans ton amour. De ton retour, et pourtant je t'aime encore et pour toujours. Ne me laisse pas